Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do a jigsaw puzzle. To begin, find a comfortable, well-lit area with a flat surface, like a large table, that can accommodate your entire puzzle. For a 1,000-piece puzzle, you might need a surface at least 36 by 24 inches. Next, empty all the pieces onto the surface and turn them face up. This initial sorting saves you time later on, making the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Once your pieces are face up, the next step is to sort them strategically. Group pieces by their colors, patterns, or any unique features you notice. For example, all the blue sky pieces go together, and all the green tree pieces go together. After sorting, assemble the border first. This provides a clear boundary and a sense of accomplishment. Then, focus on building smaller, recognizable sections within that frame, like a specific character or object. As you progress, connecting pieces becomes a satisfying challenge. Pay close attention to the unique shapes and interlocking patterns of each piece. Remember, there are typically 4 basic piece types: 2 tabs, 2 blanks, 1 tab, 3 blanks, 3 tabs, 1 blank, and 4 tabs or 4 blanks. Gently test pieces to ensure they fit perfectly without forcing them. Always refer to the puzzle box image. It's your best friend for visual guidance and identifying where sections belong. Completing a jigsaw puzzle is a rewarding experience. Don't hesitate to take short breaks. Stepping away for 5 or 10 minutes can refresh your perspective and help you spot connections you missed. When you place that very last piece, take a moment to celebrate your accomplishment. If you wish to keep your masterpiece, you can apply puzzle glue to preserve it. Enjoy the satisfaction of seeing your hard work come together into a beautiful image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.